The Aliaxis Group is a leading global manufacturer and distributor of plastic fluid handling systems used in residential and commercial construction, as well as in industrial and public infrastructure applications. The site at Lenham in Kent is the largest in the UK. Product for the Durapipe, Hunter, Marley and Multiquick brands is manufactured on a 66-acre site using 15 extrusion lines, 64 injection moulding machines and with a workforce of over 500 employees. Marley Extrusions, as it was known then, have occupied the site at Lenham since 1955. During that time, we've continuously improved our processes to make it the business it is today. Our manufacturing facility stretches across an impressive 15,000 square metres. Our reputation is built on delivering innovative quality products to our customers. Let's take a look inside the factory to see the quality processes in action. Throughout the video, the Q counter in the corner will represent the number of quality checks undertaken during an 8-hour timeframe. The products we make use two different manufacturing processes, extrusions and injection moulding. Both require a base resin which arrives in powder form and is stored in huge 100-ton silos. At Lenham, we get through at least 10,000 tons per year. The first quality check takes place before the silo is filled to make sure it is to specification. In the auto plant, the resin is combined with a unique mixture of ingredients with different recipes for each product application. Once mixed, this is stored in smaller 10-ton silos. Each ingredient is accurately weighed out to ensure consistency with random samples tested. The material then goes on one of two journeys, supplied via a network of over 15 kilometres of overhead pipework. Gutters and pipes are manufactured using a process called extrusion. A combination of powder and colour pigment is fed into the barrel of the extruder and heated up by a series of turning screws. The molten polymer is then forced through a shaped die to form the gutter profile or pipe in a continuous line. The molten material hardens during the cooling process as it travels along the extrusion line. Many of our extrusion lines make co-extruded product, a process where two different materials are extruded at the same time to make one product. This Life or Marley gutter profile uses a higher specification material to form a capping layer on the outside, helping it to look better for longer. Inside is standard material. Regular checks are carried out on the line to maintain product quality. This includes size, colour, gloss level and capping layer thickness. The gutters are packed into sleeving and then into wooden frames. Once the frame is full, it is removed from the line, ready to be taken to the extrusion storage plinth. This is done using a battery-powered vehicle, as there are no fork trucks allowed inside our manufacturing area. The fittings to accompany the gutters and pipes are injection moulded, and this manufacturing process requires the ingredients to be in a chipped form. A combination of powders, together with colouring pigment, is fed through an intricate set of pipework into compounding, where it is heated up and extruded through specialist dies to form the chips. In a continuous process, these chips are moved along the production line, where they are cooled in a cold airstream. The material goes through a multi-stage filter process to ensure consistent sizing. The compounding area is always busy, making different materials in various colours for the many production requirements. The chipped product is delivered into our materials feed area in plasbins. Certain materials, such as ABS, require drying before they're used. This is also where the pigment is added to colour the ABS. The moulding machines pull through the chipped material from the holding area through the overhead pipework. The ABS chips are heated up and injected into the mould cavity. The product is cooled and the mould opens to release the finished product. The mould in this tool is a multiple impression, which means that it makes multiple quantities of the same product at the same time. Regular checks are carried out at the machine to maintain product quality. This includes size, colour, gloss level and surface finish. The operator checks the product meets the set sizing parameters. The team in the finishing department puts the final touches to our machine-made products. This area is semi-automated and still needs team members to carry out certain tasks. This can include adding snap caps or seals, applying labels, and even some product assembly. Some smaller items are packed into bags or boxes. This protects them during storage, eases transportation, and helps them to keep clean until they're required on site. Finished product is collated and delivered to one of a number of warehouses or extrusion storage areas covering 47,000 square meters. This is carried out in large batches on a lorry to be more efficient. Orders require precision planning to get to the customer when they need them. Our state-of-the-art lorry fleet carry the latest technology, which enables our logistics team to stay ahead of any traffic issues. Technology has also aided our order pick process with the arrival of an automated voice picking system in the warehouse.
Ready? 2-0. Yes.
This reduces paperwork and increases order accuracy. Completed orders are scanned onto vehicles to confirm that the load is correct. Drivers scan off the order at the customer delivery site, enabling an electronic proof of delivery to be produced. This track and traceability process has been readily welcomed by our customers. We manufacture products at Lenham for multiple brands, but customers can expect the same great quality throughout the range. In fact, we've recently been accredited to the BSI ISO 9001 standard for the quality management system to their new stringent 2015 guidelines. During this product journey, our dedicated team have focused on 37 different quality checks. For plumbing and drainage solutions, trust Ali Axis. For quality, built in.